Hello guys, welcome to Web Designing HTML CSS course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 3. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Now let's start. In the last lecture, we talk about these tag that how we can put these tag in the HTML and CSS we will also discuss CSS. First of all, I'm telling you that how you can put the tags in the HTML. Now today we are going to talk about the del tag, super tag, how you can show your text like the delete or line tag. This is also called delete tag, and how you can write the link tag, what is the tag attribute, list, unordered list, order list, how you can present the table, image and button in your HTML. Now let's start. This was our last work. Let me show you also this thing. So this is the output of the last work that we have talked about the headings and paragraph and some of the things like this, headings, paragraph, and in the paragraph that how you can change the color and how you can put the font and size. These are all the things that we are going to cover in the CSS lecture. Also, I'm just telling you that in the font tag you can also do this thing, but you have to do this thing with the CSS. In the next lecture, I think after one lecture we will start the CSS lectures, and then after that I will make a complete website of HTML and CSS just for your concept, that your concept should be clear about HTML and CSS, that how you can make the websites with the HTML and CSS. Now let's start with these tag. First of all, we will write here the del tag, how I can present this thing. Let me copy this thing from here to show you. Now for the del tag, the del tag is like this. This is the del tag with the closing del tag, right? In between I will write something. I will save my file and show you the result. Here you can see the word is cut by the line, right? Hope you will understand this thing. Now let me show you one thing more. If you want to show the super, this is called super tag. This is just like the you can say like the power of the word will be shown like the power of the word. You can see this is like the power. Now the third one which I told you is sub tag. This is called subscript also. So how you can do this? Here is like superscript, and this is subscript, and this is regular text which is. So guys, this is subscript, this is superscript, and this is the del tag. So whatever what you want to show, you can use from these tag. Now let me tell you that how you can show the link in your website. For the link tag, to show the link tag, there is a tag anchor tag which is called anchor tag. With the closing anchor tag, in between you will write anything, like I will write here link, and the important thing that we have to write here the hyperreference. For the hyperreference, I will write here href. You can see the indentation is showing also href. I will click here. It will ask me to write here any path or any file name, or if I want to route anything like in the my website, if I have some of the PDF, then I will upload the PDF in the website, and I will paste the link here, or I want to route my audience to Google, then I can also write here www.google.com, right? But what it will be do when I'm going to, let me show you first. So this is the link tag is showing here. When I'm going to click here on it, it will be open in this file, not in another file. And if I want to show open this link in another tab like here, then I have to write an attribute. Let me write here also that attribute that is called target. You can see here target blank. What it means that it will be open in the new tab, not in your existing tab, right? Now let me tell you that yes, what is the tag attribute? I have told you that I will tell you also about the tag attribute. Tag attribute is like I write here the h1 and in between I write here heading, right? Now for the tag attribute, this is our tag, so I can write attribute like I will write here title, right? You can see indentation is showing the title. So for the title I will write here anything like heading 1. I will save my work, refresh my browser. Here when my mouse will be on the heading, here you can see the heading 1 is showing as a title. So in this way you can show on every tag, right? If you want to show the title on the picture or anywhere, or you want to do something like, if you can also write here this thing, you can also write here the title. You can see it is showing here the title tag, so you can also write here on every tag. You can do this. Every tag has their attributes, right? Now let me tell you about the list. So for the list there are two type of list. One is the unordered list and the other one is order list. So first of all we will talk about the unordered list. For the unordered list, the tag is ul, opening tag, and ul, closing tag, right? Now to show the menu or anything in the ul or ol, you have to write here the lis. So you can see the lis showing here. So how you can write the lis here, like I will write here menu. I will copy this thing and refresh my browser. I will save my work and show you the output. Here you can see the list is showing here with these signs. This is called the disk sign, right? Now if you want to change the color of this menu, or you want to show the hover effect, you can also do with the CSS. I will tell you that how you can do this, and these bullets you can change. How you can change? I will write here in the UL type. You can see type is here. I will click on it. So there are three types. One is the circle, second one is the disk, and the third one is square. So the disk is, you can see the by default is, if I want to show the circle, I will write here the circle and refresh my file. Here you can see the circles are showing in the unordered list. And if I want to show square, then let me show you the output also for the square. So this is the output for the square, and the disk is by default, you have seen. Let me show you that thing again also for you guys. Disk. So this is the by default behavior, right? You can see. Now let me tell you about order list. How you can present the order list. For the order list, the tag is ol, right? Order list. This is called order list. In the same way you will write here the LIs, but the type of the OL is different from the LI. UL. Let me show you this thing also. So this is our order list, so that's why it is showing 1 2 3. Now there are types, which are 5 types. First is the one, which is the by default behavior of the OL list. If I want to show small alphabet, then I can write here A B C. Like this I will write here A. If I want to show it like the caps alphabet, then I will write here caps A, right? And I will save my work. You can see the caps letter are showing here. And now let me show you. If I want to show here the Romans, like small Romans, you can see. And if I want to show the caps Roman, then I will write here capital I. This one. Save my work, show you the results, you can see. Right? Now, let me tell you that the next tag is how you can present the input button. To show the input button, the attribute is button. You will just write here the button with the opening and closing tag. In between you can write here anything. Like I will write here if submit. I will save my file and refresh my browser. You can see the button is showing here. You can click on it, and if you want to change the color of the button, the hover effect, and change the font, you can do this with the CSS. We will also discuss on it on the CSS lectures. Right now, I have told you that HTML is used to display the stuff only. So that's why it is called the markup language. It is not the programming language. And if you want to do if you want to click here and you will move to another page or like this, these are the functionalities done by the programming languages, not in the HTML. You can just make your pages or you can create the layout of your website with the help of HTML. Right now, let me tell you that how you can present the image. To show the image, what you will do, you can write here image tag, right? The image tag has no closing tag. Now, from where you want to get the image, you will write here the source file, right? And in my case, let me show you, we do not have any image here. So what I will do is I will copy some image from anywhere. This I will copy this image, right, and I will paste it here. Now what I will do is I will write here, because my file is on the desktop, so that's why, let me show you, this is my file on the desktop, so I have copied this thing here. If I will take it from web folder or anywhere, so I have to write the correct path. So here in my case I will just write here you can see 3.jpg, right? If this is on the folder of like in the web in the image, so I will write here web slash images slash 3.jpg. So the thing that I want to tell you is very important thing is that how you can write your path here, which is very important. So I will write here this thing, and also I have to write the width and height also, right? So I will write here the width 200 and I will write here the height also 200. I will save my work. Here you can see the image is showing here. And in some cases, if I'm not able to find the image, like if I will change the name, you can see here is no image. So to find the image, where is my image, we can use here a one attribute which is called alt. Here you can write anything here, image here. If you do not find the image, then you can do this thing also. Here you can see it is showing here image here. So you can judge that your image is here is not showing because of some error in the code. So if I will clear this thing, you can see the image is showing here, right? Hope you understand this thing. So this is all for today, guys. If you like my video, please thumbs up my video. In the next lecture, I will tell you that how you can create the table and the form structure, and how you can get the input from the user, and how you can write the label tag. After that, we will start CSS. So once again, if you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. And if you like my video, please thumbs up my video, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites. Thank you so much.